eDrawings is an excellent tool for viewing CAD models, and now gets even more valuable for 2019. eDrawings now supports several new CAD file formats. Parasolid, Solid Edge, ASUS, JT, and NX files are now supported for viewing, making eDrawings your go-to choice for CAD file viewing. Viewing configuration data has always been available for exported EPRT and EASM files. Now with eDrawings 2019, configuration data can be viewed for native SOLIDWORKS part and assembly files, saving the step of exporting the data to eDrawings format. Sharing CAD data from eDrawings is a great way to collaborate, and with the new Web HTML output, eDrawings models can be shared in a new format that opens in any browser without the need for extensions or installation. Familiar tools are available, such as access to the component tree, and configurations that exist in the model can be displayed. A handy explode tool is available to see parts contained in an assembly. And sectioning allows better visualization of internal components. All of the eDrawings viewing tools are available, such as view animation, standard views, and model display. Ambient occlusion can be turned on as well for added realism when viewing models. And finally, performance in eDrawings 2019 gets a big boost. On the left is eDrawings 2018, and on the right is eDrawings 2019. As we rotate the observatory assembly in eDrawings 2018, you can notice there is a bit of delay before the assembly catches up to the mouse, and you'll notice that some of the smaller details in the lower floors get removed. This removal of detail during rotation is done by design to help speed view manipulation, but comes at the expense of visual appeal. In eDrawings 2019, when rotating the same assembly, you can see that there is no noticeable delay, and the smaller details on the lower floors remain. All of the view manipulations feel immediate and effortless, and the same goes for component selection, providing a much better user experience when viewing very large assemblies. eDrawings 2019 extends its capabilities to view more CAD file types, offers better sharing through the new Web HTML output, and provides a big performance boost when viewing large assemblies.